Hello family, this is the video finally of our chicken coop. Brian did a great job on it, having no experience building or anything. It was fantastic. So I'm going to show you a compilation of some videos of the process. Our chicken tractor is looking good. Brian is finding time to get pieces done in between rainstorms.
Showing people my mistakes.
So I actually came out to tell you I have lunch ready. You ready for lunch?
I'm ready.
Okay. Here is our chicken tractor covered and ready for the coming rain. How's it going?
Okay. I'm still having to take things apart.
I'm sorry. It's sure looking good though.
It's coming together.
Good.
We'll see how it goes.
Well, it's looking good.
Thank you.
So we have one day of super nice weather and it's supposed to pour tomorrow. So Brian is working super hard to get our chicken tractor done as much as we can. Once the weather clears up again, then we'll paint. But right now he's working on adding ventilation. So he's cut in some doors or extra windows on the doors. We'll put some chicken wire behind it. So, and he got perches up on the inside. Because of the number of chickens that we have had survive, which is all 10 of them, we had to put our perches or our roofs up in a weird way. So we have this one long one here and two short ones. So we're hoping that works out well. And this is what it looks like from the nesting box angle, which we will put the dividers in later. And we have a really big cold door here that will open up like this to give ventilation when it's hot weather. So it's coming along, and we have ventilation along the top up there. See that? And it goes down the side too. See right here, and on the other side like that too. So it's coming along, and it's a good thing because those babies are huge. They look like real chickens now. Okay family, so we spent part of today painting our chicken coop. We never claimed to be awesome painters. We start out doing pretty good, but before it's over we end up getting paint on the places we didn't really want paint. But I think it's just a chicken coop. That's what we keep telling ourselves. It's just a chicken coop. This is what we're using for roofing. It's tin, and it'll be angled. As you see, the roof is angled so the rain will come off, shed off of it, and snow and stuff. So that's for the roof. And we're going to put some more of it on this part right here the roof of the nesting box area. So that's a job for tomorrow. What do you ladies think? Oh, you hear the lawnmower. You hear that? That's the neighbor. Yep. It won't be coming over here. It's okay. We're going to be working in your coop. Well, our chickens seem to really like their tractor coop. I did forget to take a picture of the coop with the linoleum down. So here I'm going to show you a picture of it with the pine shavings on top of the linoleum. It seems to be working well. So there is our chicken tractor. I hope that you've enjoyed seeing it. We do still need to put the dividers in the nesting boxes. We'll do that in the next few weeks. And we did add wheels to the back, and we put those on as we're moving it because it's so heavy. Those make it a lot easier. Okay, love you guys. Talk to you soon.